In this drunk case, can we use pwede instead of kaya? On this video, I have answered the question, what is the difference between marunong ka bang mag-drive and kaya mo bang mag-drive? This girl knows how to drive, but today she's drunk. And as a friend, you're concerned if she can still drive. Then you ask the question, kaya mo bang mag-drive? Are you capable of driving now that you're drunk? Essentially, that's what you're saying when you use kaya. So to answer the question of I love century, is that correct? If we can use pwede here instead of kaya in this drunk case to mean are you capable of driving now that you're drunk? The answer is no, hindi. When you say pwede, think of the word permit. You can perform this action. You are free to do this action because number one, you are allowed to. You have the permission to do so. And number two, your schedule permits. You are available on that day at that time to perform this action. Halimbawa, for example, this 16-year-old young man, at 16, marunong siyang mag-drive, pwede siyang mag-drive. Diyan, sa US, he can drive because the law allows it. Dito, sa Pilipinas, here in the Philippines, at 16, marunong siyang mag-drive, pero hindi siya pwedeng mag-drive dahil ang license dito is issued at the age of 18, 18, or 18 taong gulang, 18. When we talk about availability, we also use pwede. Now, let's say I'm a driver for hire. You wanna hire me to drive you to the airport. But for today, I am attending my friend's wedding. Dara, pwede ka bang mag-drive ngayon? Pwede ka bang mag-drive ngayong araw? And then I say, ay, pasensya na. I'm sorry, hindi ako pwede ngayon. I can't today. Kasi pupunta ako sa kasal ng kaibigan ko. Because I'm going to my friend's wedding. So, pasensya na. Hindi ako pwede. I'm gonna give you another example just to solidify this one. Para mas solid yung lesson. This man, marunong siyang maglaro ng basketball. Kaya niyang maglaro ng basketball because his body is in good condition. At pwede siyang maglaro ng basketball tuwing Sabado. He can play basketball every Saturday because his wife allows him to. But today, ngayong araw, he got an accident and he hurt his leg. So if you ask him, marunong ka bang maglaro ng basketball? Of course, he can. Even though right now, his knee or his leg is hurt, he still knows how to, right? Because he's been doing that for years. Marunong siyang maglaro ng basketball. Can he play basketball right now? Is his body in the condition to play basketball right now? Hindi. So, hindi niya kayang maglaro ng basketball ngayon. Because he's not capable to do so. May cement. Ang leg niya, may semento sa leg niya. Let's say after 2 weeks, he's already recovered. Magaling na siya. So, marunong siyang maglaro ng basketball. Kaya niyang maglaro ng basketball. Pero, his wife said, you can't play basketball yet. His wife does not allow him to play basketball today. So, although marunong siyang maglaro ng basketball, kaya niyang maglaro ng basketball ngayon because he's already recovered, hindi siya pwedeng maglaro ng basketball ngayon. Because his wife said so. So, okay na ba, guys? Malinaw na ba? Is it clear now? Marunong, kaya, pwede. All could mean can in English, but in Tagalog, unfortunately, sometimes they're not interchangeable. Kung may tanong pa kayo, if you have questions, comment it down at I'll try to answer them. Susubukan kong sagutin. Hanggang sa muli, this is Dara from Tutor of Manila. Follow me for more